Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about Arrowmax's new SDS Pro electric drill sets. We have the SDS, which is completely rechargeable and portable. As you can see, it's extremely small and lightweight, so you can use this at home, at the office, and at the racetrack. In the video, I'm just going to explain how we use the SDS Pro, and hope you enjoy. Cheers. So here we have the SDS Pro. Part number AM199974. This is the SDS Pro with the drill press. Packaging is unreal, as like all the current AM products. Inside, you've got your drill press, your SDS Pro. I'm going to take some time and assemble this and circle back. So here you can see our SDS drill press, a really nice looking bit of kit and engineering. This is obviously, for me, a first to have a drill press that is this size for our hobby. You can see the slide mechanism and spring for doing the press. This is obviously great for RC uses at home on your desk, along with general hobby purposes as well. But a really great product from Arrowmax. We're just going to get out the SDS Pro now. Like all Arrowmax products, you also have the instruction manual in here, which is very detailed. Lots of great pictures and illustrations there. And while we're at it, your USB-C charging cable, which is provided also. So this is what's included with the SDS Pro kit. You've also got your 10 drill bits from 0.6 up to 2.2 millimeters. You can see with the driver, it has your lockable chuck, 4 LED lights for ease of use, and we have our single one-touch system. So our one-touch, which will power it on, our drilling LED screen here. So press and hold, you'll notice that the screen does show you that it is drilling in a clockwise direction. One more touch will then reverse that drill, and the third touch will turn the drill off. Now let's mount it up and see if we can do some drilling. So our drill bit quite easily locks into place using the self-locking chuck mechanism. The SDS slides directly into the holding mechanism and it is ready to drill. So simply insert the item that needs drilling. I'm going to grab some carbon fiber. So here we have some carbon fiber that I had laying around to show the capabilities of the SDS. So we're just going to switch it on. You can see the LED lights easily lighting that up for me. We're going to push down and see how this goes. I'm using a fair bit of force here, and as you can see, she's quite a lovely hole. Nice and clean, good drill bits. Using our one touch, powered off, and as you can see, the Arrowmax SDS Pro works as intended. Obviously not used for big heavy drilling, but for the hobbyist, it is a really trick bit of kit.